Okay, everybody. Really good job on the warm-up and on the homework. Before we start our lesson today, I'm going to take just a little break. I'm going to get ready to do our lesson, but how we're going to do this is you're going to take the triangle that I passed out to you. Now, I love triangles. As a math person, triangles are awesome. And triangles can be really peaceful too. So what we're going to do to get ready for our lesson, you're going to take your triangle, you're going to put your finger on the lower left-hand part of the triangle. Wait a minute, how many sides does a triangle have? Good. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little breathing exercise. We're going to start here. We're going to inhale for 3 seconds as we go to the top. We're going to hold that for 3 seconds as we go down. And then we're going to exhale for 3 seconds and go back to where we started. Okay, you ready? Put your finger on the corner in the lower left right here of your triangle. Here we go. Have a good day.